You join me with two cars in a driveway. This is my wife's 2007 Opel Astra 1.8 automatic, and it's filthy. Now, one of the things I've always wondered in life is, why do women have such filthy cars? And one of the excuses I often get is, I have a child to carry around, I have a cat that needs to travel, I've got a broken foot, hence the space boot. All reasonable excuses, I suppose, but there's no getting away from the fact that this car is absolutely filthy, both inside and out. Dirt everywhere, door cards, door pockets, between the seats, on the floor. It's just disgusting. Even at the back, where only the child sit, it's very, very dirty. Boot, this hasn't been cleaned in 3 months. I know that because 3 months ago we were in this exact same spot and I cleaned this car the same way. On the other hand, this is what a man's car looks like. Clean, tidy, like the day it left the factory. I should actually state that I got this car just the day before, so there's a reason for it being this clean, but still, I try to keep my cars very clean. So, let's start cleaning up. Let's see how well I can make this old car look. First by cleaning the inside and then the outside. Here we go. Step 1, remove anything that shouldn't be in the car. You're gonna need a good vacuum cleaner, so here we go. I think this thing has been in there for years. What is that even, and how long has it been in there? For wiping down the interior parts, I do basically just that, wipe it down with a wet cloth. Stickers, why stickers? Just wipe it down. I vacuum the floor mats inside the car, then shake them out and vacuum the inside, then put them back. Cleaning the windows, you just have to. Kids, they don't believe in just telling you about what they see. They need to touch what they see. So, yeah. Now for the outside. Just look at how dirty those wheels are. Getting her all nice and wet. That's what she said. So, I've got this rule in life that I think most men should abide by. If you buy a nice car, your wife's gonna want it. That's how I ended up with this car. And the only way to get over the fact that women make cars so dirty, it's a nice slow motion act, is to buy myself a nicer car. But in my defense, I'm driving manual, and this was the first automatic I bought, and my wife fell in love with automatics, so that kind of put an end to the cars available for her to use. So foamy. Let's get all that brake dust out of here. Just look at how dirty those wheels were. That is 3 months worth of brake dust. Well, the parts that I managed to catch in the bucket. To wipe it down, I just use a normal chamois. Get it nice and dry. And this is what we end up with. This is literally just what less than an hour of a man's time takes to get a car looking, well, I'd say pretty nice. Pretty dinged up bash guards on the door, but the wheels came out nice. Atrocious headlight covers, might need to get those buffed sometime. But the interior came out pretty well. These are aftermarket floor mats I bought off eBay for this Astra H. But yeah, they're doing a good job. Boot came out pretty well. It's like there never ever was a kid or a cat in the back of this car. The seats look pretty dingy, that's how we bought the car. But yeah, be sure to clean out your wife's car if she keeps it dirty. Make sure you always clean your feet before you get in. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. It's something different from what I usually make. But I thought if I'm going to clean a car, I'll make a video about it. Thanks all for watching. See you in the next one.